Hello again. Hope y'all are doing okay. As the title suggests, today we'll be discussing some mind-blowing AI tools that can help you in your content creation. Artificial intelligence has come a long way and has revolutionized many industries that include content creation. These tools are designed to help you create content that are engaging, informative, and unique, which you can use in different platforms to make a passive income. So let's dive into the video. First, we have RunwayML. Runway is an AI tool that provides dozens of creative tools to edit and generate content like never before. Some of the tools that Runway provides are video-to-video generation, which uses words and images to generate new videos out of existing one, text-to-image generation. And you can remove background from any videos, image-to-image generation, transform any image with words. Expand image, frame interpolation, erase or replace any part of an image, expand an existing image, backdrop remix, image variation, text to 3D texture, imprinting, remove people or things from a video, text to color grade, super slow motion, blur faces, bokeh, scene detection, extract depth, clean audio, remove silence, generate transcript, generate subtitles, colorize upscale images, which is a cool feature, replace background, blur background, and many more. The list is still going on. It gives you some free trials, and you can try its new feature Gen 1 with 400 credits that it provides. Next up, we have 11 Labs, which is a text-to-audio generation tool that creates very realistic voices. You can put your text right here, select the voices that you like, and hit the play button. You can put 333 text, but you can sign in to use more features that it provides. Verify your email and you are ready to go. You can even clone your own voice with it or select from one of these. You can also make adjustment in the voice you will generate. Paste your text right here and you will get up to 2,500 words at a time out of 10,000 remaining quota. For the next one, we have Pictory.ai. By this tool, you can create your videos with just few clicks. All you have to do is provide a script, and it will choose background for your video according to your given topic. Add audio to your video, and you can use some of their own templates which are copyright-free to make changes in it. Next up, we have DID, by which you can make a talking avatar for your video. You might have seen some of those videos that were made by it. Choose from one of these avatars that they are proving, or you can just upload your own, and then you have to paste the script here. You can even generate AI presentations. There are so many options to choose from. Choose your language, which will generate audio, and hit on Generate Video. Next one, we have Kaiber, which is a very cool software by which you can give life to your still images. You can create a free account. Click on Create Your First Video, then upload your image. Write the prompt you want your image in, and it will create a video from it. Isn't it amazing? You know that now there are countless number of AI tools getting introduced. So to be aware of them, you can check out Futurepedia.io. It's like a goldie mine of AI tools. So make sure you check that one out. With this, now I'll wrap up today's video. See you guys in the next one.